Hope you are fine. Now I am going to discuss Junior English Book 1, page number 14. The topic is capital letters. Here we will see what is written. The girl's name is Sumitra Patel. The name of her pet cat is Meena. The girl's last name Patel is her surname, means this is called surname. Her other name Sumitra is her first name. It's called actually first name. Just keep remember, you will meet this kind of thing in your future life also. You will be called to write your surname in some places, and sometimes you will be called write first name and surname. So you need to keep remember, or you need to understand this thing, what is called surname and what is called first name. So whenever you will find any type of name, the names of people and pets always begin with a capital letter. This is also important thing for you. The name can be in the middle of a sentence, first of a sentence, or at the last of a sentence. Whenever and wherever you will find, you should keep remember the names of people and pets always begin with a capital letter. And another thing here we are going to find, that is the word I is always a capital letter. Like example is given here, what shall I have to eat? It means if you use I alone in a sentence, it can be middle, it can be in the at the last, it can be first. That is not the matter. If you want to put I as alone, that time you should write it in capital form. Okay. So one exercise is given here. See, let's do it. What is written? A number exercise. Write your first name and your surname. You can write at your home by yourself. Okay. So I can give example of my one. My first name is Shekhar and my surname is Datta. Okay. So at your home you will write your one. Next one, now write out these sentences using capital letters for the names of people and pets. See, in this place, one number, I told Mary that I would play with her after tea. Here, Mary is the name of a person. So, according to the rule, we should make M capital. So, it will be Mary. Okay. 2 number, when Emma fell down, Lee helped her up. So, here Emma, it will be capital E, and another name we have found here, that is Lee, it will be also capital because they are people. Next one, 3 number, I think David Max is taller than John Perry. So, here we have found two persons' name, one is David Max and another one is John Perry. Okay, they're here with their first name and surname also. So let's write, or we can tell let's correct it. Here D will be capital and here M will be also capital. Same thing will happen here. John will be capital and Perry will also be a capital letter. The names of the twins are Bella and Ramo. So here Bella's B will be capital, Ramos R will be capital. Okay. I saw Sin Baker feeding his dog Sam. In this place or in this sentence, S we should make it capital, and here B will be also capital, feeding his dog Sam. Sam is the name of person, then it will be capital also. We saw Daisy the cow being milked. Here Daisy's D will be capital and the cow being milked. Okay, so there is nothing, but only we should make this one capital. Kaylee named her new pony Sunshine. Here Kaylee is a name of person, so here K will be capital, and he has kept pony's name, means pet's name, so Sunshine's son will be also capital. 8 number, the name of our cat is Suti. Here pet's name is Soti, so S will be capital. I think you have understood this exercise. Now we will try to do B number exercise. B number exercise, write a capital I in each space. You will just put I in the blanks. Where did I put my cum? Do you think I am tall for my age? Becky said I could have an orange. I think I have a cold coming on. When I am tired, I lie down and rest. So it's really easy. After that, I will stop here, and next time we will do page number 15. The topic is names and initials. We will meet on that day. Bye for today.